When Uncle Theo stops by Aunt Virginia's, no one suspects that a harmless afternoon will soon become a race against time, for in a small package from Italy lies an ancient tobacco pipe once owned by the famous Marco Polo. And it carries a curse. Whoever smokes this pipe becomes a magnet for illness. Allergies, injuries, pain, and all kinds of diseases suddenly jump onto the smoker. And that is exactly what happens to Uncle Theo. Within a few minutes, a healthy man turns into a walking disaster of coughing, sneezing fits, and mysterious ailments. Klaus discovers an incredible secret. Only a magic medallion can break the pipe's curse. A medallion awarded every year at the famous Venice gondola race. But the race is already taking place tomorrow. Together with Hannah and Fabio, Klaus heads to Italy immediately. While Uncle Theo gets sicker and sicker, a dangerous adventure begins for the friends in the winding alleys and dark canals of Venice. But the Baron has also learned of the medallion's legendary healing powers. To him, the artifact is worth billions, so he will do anything to get his hands on it before the children do. With elite athletes, pursuers, and ruthless henchmen in the heart of Venice. Between St. Mark's Square, the Rialto Bridge, and secret messages from the time of Marco Polo, a breathless treasure hunt begins. Clue by clue, Klaus, Hannah, and Fabio get closer to an ancient secret, an invisible gondola, a magical boat that supposedly can never lose a race. But as time relentlessly runs out and Uncle Theo falls increasingly ill, the friends themselves are in grave danger. The Baron strikes. In the middle of the old shipyards of Venice, the children are suddenly surrounded. The escape route seems cut off until something incredible happens. A gondola rises silently above the water, invisible, mysterious, and faster than any other boat in all of Venice. Now the decisive race begins. 7 kilometers through the canals of the lagoon city against Olympic champions, against the Baron's men, against time. And while all of Venice cheers, it becomes clear, if Klaus, Hannah and Fabio lose, Uncle Theo is lost. But even a victory might come too late. Experience the full episode and the entire world of adventures of Klaus, Hannah and Fabio for free in the app. Fun and excitement for the whole family. You can find the link below this video.